Okay. Whoops. Stream got restarted because I'm a fucking idiot. Um, not paying attention. No. I'm just gonna fucking shoot myself. I'm gonna fucking shoot myself and make you do watch. Yep, virtualization is enabled. Errors pretty printing info. Wow, fascinating. Add or remove programs, open it, find Docker desktop and remove it. Oh my god, I'm getting the same lag issue. Gotta run it as an administrator. You gotta make sure that we have this thing installed. Okay. I mean, it makes sense. I think I know what I did wrong. It's that you have to have... Oh my god, it's so annoying. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, that's... I wanna... Let's reinstall Docker. It's probably gonna make me restart, which is annoying, because I'm gonna have to close out of all this and start it back up again. Fucking... $3,000 SMSs a day. Ten sub accounts? Take every phone numbers every 1,000. Use mobile phone numbers over Torn 3. I'm up by dripping. Okay, cool. Does it open now? Accept. Log into it with my personal account. Skip. Okay, cool. Now, let's go back into the downloads folder. Start the CMD. And... Okay, cool. I don't know if that's a deal, so I'm just going to keep it over there. I have no idea. Okay, exporting layers, manifest config. Okay, unpacking. Finished. Okay. So... Okay. Okay, now that I have all this, what do I do? I don't know why the fuck this guy is saying you need 10 sub-accounts. I don't think I agree with that. Ow. Fuck.
They're running, if they're trying to do their appointments at an average score out of 10. And this, everyone, the truth, which is this conversion stage. Hey, this is me, Bill. I'm dead of this. Hi.
Okay. I have a local image. Where the fuck is that? I don't know where. Okay. Where is that image stored? I. Okay. On the left, click. Okay, we go to clusters. Click create cluster. Choose networking only. Okay. Um, I don't know how to fix that. Go back to clusters, cold SMS cluster, run new task. Run. Okay, cool. After the cluster is created, go to task definitions and create new task definition. Okay. Go to task definitions, create new task definition. I don't see any repositories here. Should I just make one? Okay. Okay. What the... Okay. This works. I don't think I can show this stuff to you guys. I think this is a... Okay. Yeah, I don't know how the fuck. How do I get all that? Yeah. Okay, sign in URL for IM users in this account. I don't know my keys. Show me how to generate them. Okay, important, do not create root keys. You should create keys. Type IM, go to users. Okay, go to users. Click on the user you want. If you have no users, go to... Okay. Okay. Go to... Click the tab. Security credentials. Scroll down to section access keys. Okay, access keys. Click create access key. Command line interface. Click next. Yeah, no, I understand. Okay, so AWS configure, AWS access key, AWS secret key. Actually, I don't want to show you guys either of that. I'm gonna make a document for that to go into, so you guys do not see it. Okay, AWS access key, default region name. Okay, US East 1. Default region format, JSON. Okay. Run AWS. Okay. AWS caller identity. Okay, cool. We got stuff. Now you're ready to log into ECR. Login, Docker, login. An error occurred when calling user IMAM. Email is not authorized to perform. Get authorization target. Now perform interactive login. Okay, how do I fix this? Okay. Okay. Oh, whoops. Add permissions. Attach policies directly. Okay. Next. Add permissions. Okay. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, it worked. Once you see login succeeded, push these two. Update layers, and then AWS consoles, you'll see the latest image with the full image URL. Okay, cool, it worked. All right, I got this. Is that right? Yes, that's perfect. Okay, cool. Next step, grab your image URL. Okay. If you go back into ECRs, you go into repositories. Cold SMS scraper images. You'll see something like okay. So we copy the URL. Is this the right thing? Okay. Where to push it? Okay, we'll go back into task definitions. Create new task definition. Okay. Essential container name, image URL. Okay. Can continue filling in. 0.5 CPU, memory 1 gig. Environment variables. Okay. Could we add them from a location here? So this is basically the exact API call that I want to get sent to Outscraper. Okay, so that's going to change.
one, you discover the SMS happens. You feel that like shiny object. But roll around with because my SMS is very, very good. My offer is very attractive. And keep this call very, very short. And you know, if you do like the offer, talk about it a little bit more. All right, mate, you can pitch them a little bit there and then. Otherwise, the whole thing crumbles if they lose faith in you. Okay, good morning. We might even finish these today. But that's how you do it, and that's how you keep organized with like your lead list and keep bringing fresh leads each day. See the first lead connector notification, first appointment booked, and that calls so that you can hear some of them what they sound.
My God, dude. This fucking... Oh my God, this shit is so annoying, my guy. This is not worth the effort. This is not worth the effort for figuring it out. I should have just fucking hosted it locally or pushed it. And it's like, I'm stuck now because it's a fucking, because I'm spiteful. Because I want it to work how I want it to, and I don't want to give up yet. And I don't want to. I want it to fucking do what the fuck I tell it to. Can we just put the .env file into this Docker container and then push it and then get the link to upload into AWS from there? Is this fine for the .env? The outscraper and GHL secret key tags there are what's used in the secret manager. Okay. Alright, let's fucking get rid of this shit. And then where? Okay. From blah blah blah. Final corrected structure. Yeah, just fucking rewrite it. Yeah, the hard part here isn't writing the code. It's figuring out how in the fuck I'm supposed to, like, keep it in AWS. But fuck it, whatever. I'm committed to AWS at this point, regardless of its annoyances. So fine, whatever. I'm just gonna power through. We got parts of it working. I just need to keep going. Ah!
And I think that the most important like reframe is that we rebuild ourselves in the image of what God would make us look like. I don't think we're meant to be, fatty. I don't think we're meant to have tits, I don't think we're meant to look mediocre, the posture that we find ourselves in when we're sitting at a desk for extended periods of time. Are you counting? Yeah. Last rep. Yeah. Drinking dope turned me to a superhero. Yeah. I love being rich. It's so cool. You can buy pretty much everything. You can't buy love. You can't buy a physical physique. That fucking doing this kind of shit gets you, That's right. Let's go. So one cool thing about where our office is, we talked about this inside of our fucking vlog about the HQ tour. We got the gyms right next door. Look how cute these are. Little gloves, We like that a lot. And you go over here and you check. And then we got this nice little shared outdoor area. We have this kind of shit. We have the boxing gym here. I'll tell you, this boxing gym hasn't seen me. Albert runs this place. Really good spot. And then you got the gym right next door. All right, what's up, guys? My name's Nick Lindsay. I've been a trainer for a little bit over 13 years. So right now we're on the way to pick up some food for the crew. We found this nice little spot called Cote. It's actually a Michelin star restaurant, but they keep it pretty simple. We're going to be getting basically some steak and some rice, and that's basically about it for lunch. So we started, initially when I started this job, we were relying on Uber Eats to do the deliveries for us, but quickly found out that they like to fuck you. There's been many times that, the food has been like 20, 30, even more, 30 minutes late, so just took it upon myself. Now I go pick up the food every single day just to make sure it is at the office on time, because the thing about Jeremy is he's got tight windows. He's got a lot of appointments all day long. So sometimes the windows he's got to eat lunch are like 15 to 30 minutes on average. So we're on our way to go pick up some food right now. So when I accepted this position, I did not know that there was going to be a lot of risk of your life. I was going to another spot that we like to go to called Earl's over near downtown Miami. And on my way back, I was driving in the left-hand lane, and some guy on my right side decided that he needed to make a left-hand turn. I happened to be in his way. So he decided that he was going to basically try to drive through me on the golf cart, and he ended up pit maneuvering me, basically hitting the back tire, ended up doing a complete 180 in the middle of the road. Luckily didn't fly out of the golf cart, and eventually got myself, straightened out, and then almost ran into the back end of a UPS truck. Funny part about it is there was a police officer that was on the right side of this car that hit me, seen the whole thing. And his reaction to this, or his response to seeing this whole situation, he rolled down his window, gave me a thumbs up, said, "You good?" I was like, I kind of threw my hands up. I'm like, "Yeah, but the guy just hit and run." He rolled his window up and drove away. Now I go into this place. The second I open up the door, the girls already know exactly who I am. Just go and run and grab the bag. It's pretty convenient. I don't have to sit there and explain who I am. I just walk in and say, "Hello, Nicholas," grab the bag, and we're on our way. So it's a pretty quick transaction. Yeah, so basically, what I'm doing is just weighing. I'm going to weigh out the meat separately, and then I will weigh out the rice just so I can get a pretty accurate breakdown of macronutrients for this meal. It's pretty simple. It's steak, obviously cooked in some oil, and then the rice is just plain white rice. It does come with a soy sauce. What's it called? The soy sauce caramel on the side. It's actually not pretty bad. It's not bad in calories. I got about 10 grams of carbs, about 6 grams of sugar in it. All right, once I get the weight, throw it all back together, and we're ready to eat.
Yeah, so one thing that I got to do all the time is posture correction shit, because my posture's pretty cooked. Anything.
Yep, my hand by the back, hands on your cage. Yep.
I gotta tell you guys, I don't know what the fuck this one does, but we start every workout with it. Maybe you tell the people.
So when you are sitting down a lot of times people end up in a kind of a rounded position. It causes basically some tightness in the throat. Thoracic spine. So basically what we're trying to do is just work on thoracic extension just so that we can stand up straighter and it's not as restricted. Just trying to get things loosened up before we do some back training. Slide down a little bit.
I did 5 and 5.
You did 5 5. All right.
Stay down here?
Nope. Go ahead and flip over onto your hands and knees. All right. So we're going to do the thread the needle exercise.
All right. Bet you guys never saw something like this, huh?
There you go. Open up as high as you can. Yep. Make sure you pause at the top.
The key is you don't want to let your vasher arm hit the ground. Sometimes I do this with the big ass Richard Mills. Not a good look. Would definitely encourage taking your watches off. Yeah.
And good. Switch.
I mean, to be fair, there's a sports watch. Shouldn't everybody work out with Richard Mills? He should just buy a Nick. See, people out here wearing Apple watches, man. Brand, you guys did. No, actually, to be fair, Brand's probably not the person to talk shit about when it comes to needing a Nick. I need a Nick. He doesn't need a Nick. He's an incredible shape. Mad respect to Brandon, actually.
And 5. Good. All right, dude, you're going to be flat on your stomach next. Back extension.
It's the only time you let another man tell you to be flat on your stomach, okay? Okay, what?
All right, we're going to go
I think it becomes
forehead on the ground, arms out to the side. Bring it down a little bit. Got it right there. All right, just don't get a face shot, Jay. It's not going to be pretty. There you go. Extend. Perfect.
I feel like I'm on the front of the Titanic.
Pull the blades together. There you go. 3.
Tell the people what this one does.
4. Good. So this is basically working your erectors, the muscles that run up and down your spine. You're going to get a little bit in the mid-traps, in between the shoulder blades. Again, it's just mainly focused on posture, working against the posture that we find ourselves in when we're sitting at a desk for extended periods of time. Yes. Last rep. And good. Rest.
Spent more time on the ground in the last couple. How long has it been? Like a month and a half now?
Yep. About 6 weeks.
I just lay around for however long I get told to look like the Titanic over here, you know what I mean? So how it goes.
All right. Let's roll. All right. 10 reps.
And this one, you call this mobility?
This is, no, I would not consider this one mobility, right? This is actually this is an actual exercise meant to strengthen. Mobility is more or less meant to loosen things up, get things more mobile. So that's the reason why we do the thoracic extensions first, right? Loosen up the spine, give you a little bit more flexibility.
Okay, so one interesting thing that I've had going on just getting back into weight training is I get this thing in the back of my neck. I don't really know how to describe it other than just kind of feels like a blood flow issue or maybe like an oxygen thing. We just correlate it to conditioning. So instead of bitching out and like not doing weights at all, I just do a set to failure, like to complete failure. And we see if the neck thing happens or not. If it doesn't, we just go do some other shit again to failure. And right now, like at the time we're filming this, we essentially just go do like a conditioning process with weights. I'm down.
I think it'd be pretty cool to hire a personal trainer to hang out at my place of biz.
How much am I down so far?
12 pounds as of this morning.
And that's fat or that's
12 pounds of fat. Yeah, well, it's 12 pounds total. You've actually lost about 14 pounds of fat. You put on a little bit of muscle.
Okay, how many pounds of muscle I would put on?
A little over 3 pounds.
And you want to tell people how we track that? Because there's got to be some hypocritical fitness guy on here that tries to tell us some shit about what we're
Yeah,
doing.
so we do bioelectrical impedance scan every single morning. We keep the parameters the same. It's the same time of day. It's the same amount of water beforehand. All the conditions are the same, basically, before we do the scan, so we can get the most accurate result. Yes, there is margin of error, but we try to limit that. There you go. Control the negative.
Needs to up that weight.
Get it to your chest. You gotta try the next rep. Yep. One more. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Go.
We got to crush our chest.
Get bigger, bro. Stuff. Good.
Hopefully you've seen that video. It's really good.
There we go. Yep. Stop there. Stop there. Nice job.
Yeah, and when I say the neck thing, it kind of feels like right at the base of my skull. And it's usually not that aggressive when I first start. It kicks up as I do like more and more workouts. But you know, we're not bitch made over here, so we fucking push through, you know what I mean? Have you guys seen that video of the fucking dude? He's on a live stream and he's like patting his boy's chest. He's like, yeah, crush our chest. We gotta get bigger girls. And he's like whispering. We tell Nick to do that. He doesn't. We're disappointed. We're disappointed by that.
All right. We're gonna take about another 45 seconds. Let the heart rate come down a little bit.
By the way, this gym is run by a Hall of Fame boxer. He's our business owner. His name's Albert. Albert fucks big time. We love Albert. I walked in here one time. We had fucking Ocho Cinco working out, and he apparently brings like T.O. He had fucking Evander Holyfield show up because dude, Albert's connected as fuck. Like Albert's also saved our ass over there at the facility as it related to like some permitting stuff and some city stuff. We give a huge shout out to Albert, man. This gym's fucking awesome. It gives a I don't know how you guys look at this kind of shit, but I look at it as like a nice like raw. It doesn't have all like the like I like nice stuff to be clear. Like I like anatomy and I like Equinox and like those nicer gyms, but at the same time, it's like that's not the phase we're in. You know, we're in the fucking don't be bitch made anymore kind of phase. We're in the yeah, crush our chest, get bigger, girls.
Go. Minutes up.
This one usually gets me pretty good. I'm just kind of, I guess the simplest way to put it is I'm just kind of done being a bitch and letting migraines run my life. So, you know, here we are. And one of the big things that we already experienced, like one week into doing this shit, when he came down, I had a migraine at the end of the first week. But again, like we're not going to stop because of that this go around. We're just going to keep going super fucking hard. But one thing that we found in terms of this whole like one set to complete failure thing is I just have a conditioning issue, you know, because I haven't done it in so long. And, you know, like you'll hear me talk about, I get this thing like up my fucking neck. And that's a big part of like kind of what we attribute to like triggering the migraine. So anyway, long story short, that's why we're doing what we're doing. We obviously, as I'm sure you obviously understand, I don't necessarily understand it as much. Have a tremendous amount of other shit that we'll do as time goes on after we get through this phase. But you know, we gotta do what we gotta do for now. All right, what do we want to do next?
All right. Short breath. All right. Negative. All we care about is failure. It's not really what matters.
Fuck.
One more. Good. One more. Nice job.
It's one of those things you just can't fucking buy. I love being racing. It's so cool. You can buy pretty much everything. You can't buy love. You can't buy a physical physique that fucking doing this kind of shit gets you, you know? And the discipline is so good. Just fucking, I don't know what it is about pushing myself to literal failure, but I fucking love it. So one thing that we also do is, like in between all my calls, like right now, I have this so I can actually do the call, right? Because all my clients obviously financially rely upon me to show up and be my best, and that's exactly what I'm always going to be, you know? My job's to get rich people richer. I do my job extremely fucking well, and I won't let anything get in the way of that. So now I do a nice little cool down. You want to bust some aminos out? Show them the aminos and the fucking little electrolyte stack that we use. And one thing that we do pretty much at the end of every workout, we hit some aminos, but rather than just going over there once a day like what you guys just saw and doing some random fucking posture related shit, I do mobility at least once a day, and in between my calls I go back over there to the gym and I do more strength training, because it's like we don't just hit those one sets that you just saw to failure. We go over there and we fucking crank that shit like 2-3 times a day at this point. So I'm gonna get fucking juicy, dude. And we also just did my blood work. We get that back in the next couple days. Maybe I'll be fucking hitting some kind of injectable soon. Like, I don't know. I'm definitely not opposed to that kind of stuff. But the point is, I think that all of us, one of the most profound realizations I think I'd had that really is like the most empowering thing out of anything I could possibly sit here and tell you guys, if you guys are just sitting at a desk. Because listen, man, I know there's a fuckload of fitness guys that follow me from all the time I spend with Brandon Carter, and I know you guys are, hopefully, from a perspective of encouragement, looking at this as positive. I'm getting back into this shit. Of course, there's a lot more I could do, but again, for the people that are just sitting at the fucking desk all day and kind of did what I did, had something like a migraine or maybe just something else that made you stop going, get back in there. It's so fucking awesome, It's incredible what it does. And I think that the most important reframe is that we rebuild ourselves in the image of what God would make us look like. I don't think we're meant to be, fat.
I love how fucking crazy a lot of the like entrepreneur gurus are. They're just like so like, oh, God told me to do this. God told me to buy Bitcoin. God told me to do XYZ. Like, dude, he probably didn't. You need to get out of your ass. Before I pass them along.
If I were to do this myself, my God, and then where we're at. But by the majority, the data charge are over 300. And we'll obviously got a huge amount to spend. SMS is very, very good. But once you have some form of budget to allocate, at least $100 a day, paid out is for very, very high leverage. So that's it.
Okay.
going on, everybody? This would be about 6 email. Are these like high deliverability? Are these like high reply rate email? Actually, but that's sort of, but so, that was so. You value the